Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to speed up your video on Kinemaster, and trust me, it's gonna be a very quick and easy tutorial and you're gonna learn a lot about it. So let's don't waste any more of your time. Let me show you how, and let's jump in. At first, select it like this, like the video, and now as you can see from here we have a couple of options. We can cut it, uh, we can change the audio, we can make some random things, but as you can see we have this clock here. Just click on it, and from here we can actually change the speed of video like this. We can make it slower, slow motion, or we can make it faster like this. Actually now it's slower, now it's faster. And as you can see from this button here on the check mark on the right up side, we can save it, and when we play the video actually goes very fast. So that was it how to change the speed on your video, or how to speed up your video on Kinemaster. If you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also don't be hesitate or ashamed to leave your problems or questions down below the video, and I will try to respond in a few days if I can. See you next video. Bye.